Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer call routing insights from Five9 to CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring call routing insights from Five9 to your CRM, first, log into your Five9 account. Navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Identify the specific report that contains the call routing insights you need. Select the desired report and choose the date range for which you want to extract data. Click on the Export option to download the report. Make sure to choose the appropriate format, typically CSV or Excel. Once the report is downloaded, open it on your computer. Review the data to ensure it contains all necessary insights for your CRM. Next, log in to your CRM account. Locate the section where you can import data. Prepare your CRM for the import by ensuring the relevant fields are set up to receive the new insights. If needed, map the fields from the Five9 report to the corresponding fields in your CRM. This may involve creating custom fields within your CRM for any additional insights not currently captured. After mapping, proceed to upload the CSV or Excel file you previously downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upload process. Once the import is finished, verify that the data appears correctly in your CRM. You may need to conduct a final review to ensure accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, you can proceed to analyze the insights within your CRM. This will allow you to make informed decisions based on the call routing data. Make sure to set up regular updates for future data transfers from Five9 to your CRM. This ensures you're always working with the most current insights available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.